Typically, direct clutch transmission fluid services are often reserved for the workshop or service centre, but not anymore, with Nulon's innovative EZY-SQUEEZE packaging and our range of filler tools.
Now, not all dual clutch transmissions are the same. Today we're going to be servicing a Mark II Audi TT Quattro. Please refer to your handbook or manufacturer's recommendations for your car's fluid requirements and service procedure. Alternatively, you can access a step-by-step instruction for your vehicle at EZY-SQUEEZE.com.au. The tools required for this DIY are a jack stands, drain pan, the correct tool to remove the drain and filler plugs, and with this style DSG transmission, you must use a Nulon filler tool. Begin by jacking the car up and placing it on jack stands. Then place an oil pan underneath the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to flow. Then, the DSG fluid level tube needs to be removed to allow the remainder of the fluid to drain. This is one of the main differences to a more conventional transmission. Try and take note of how much fluid was removed so you know how much to expect to put back in. Reinstall the fluid level tube, and now it's time to EZY-SQUEEZE. Simply open the pouch, attach the filler hose. You must use a Nulon filler tool on this transmission so you can get all the oil up inside the filler tube. Then simply push on the hose and start squeezing. It's that easy. Roll the packaging up to get all the fluid out. As you can see, it's quicker, easier, and a lot less mess than using a hand pump and bottle. Repeat the process with a new pouch until the fluid starts to overflow back out the sump via the filler tube. With this DSG, you now need to start the car and run through each gear so the fluid is cycled through the transmission. With your foot firmly on the brake, move the selector from park through to drive several times, remaining in each gear for 3 seconds. It is important not to let the fluid heat up too much during this fill process. Return the selector to park and turn the car off. Grab some more DSG transmission fluid and top up the fluid level, filling until it overflows out of the overflow tube at a gentle, steady rate. If none flows out, then you need to add a little more fluid. Now reinstall the sump plug.
And we're done, saving yourself hundreds of dollars by doing your dual clutch transmission fluid service at home.
For more information on Nulon EZY-SQUEEZE or any other DIY videos, head to EZY-SQUEEZE.com.au.